Hey, Danielle from Signature Choice Realty here. Now that the weather's been warming up a little, you might be starting to go outside to enjoy the weather and do outdoor activities. If gardening is one of those activities for you, or it's something you're interested in getting started in, I have some tips for you. Once you find the perfect spot to put your garden, make sure you put your plants in the ground after the last frost. It's also important to check the plant zone you live in is in the same zone the plant has a chance of survival in. If you're in the Valdosta area, we're in gardening zone 8B, so if you're buying any packs of seeds, make sure they can tolerate our zone. Whether it be a container garden or if you have a nice spot of dirt out back you can plant in, you need to decide what you want to plant. I personally am not good at growing flowers, but I can get peppers and tomatoes to somehow grow all year long. So I usually pick a variety of peppers to grow and hope some of them make it into pepper form and they don't die as little sprouts. Anyway, another tip for your garden is to make sure you water them and try not to neglect your plants. With the heat we have down here, it's important to make sure your garden has the right amount of sun and shade so your plants don't dry out. And if you keep your plants in containers, make sure you move them up in pot sizes as the roots grow to avoid them from becoming stressed. If you decide you've outgrown your current home, call or text me at 229-474-7467 so we can find you a new place to plant your roots.